By the end of 12th century, five major kingdoms were prevalent in India. These were Chauhan of Delhi and Ajmer, Rathore of Kannauj, Chandelas of Bundelkhand, Solankis of Gujarat, and Paramars of Malwa. Muhammad of Ghor. Ghor was a vassal state of Ghaznavi dynasty. After the death of Sultan Mahmud, it became an independent state ruled by Ghyasuddin Ghori and Mehzuzuddin Ghori, also known as Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori aspired to not only plunder the riches of India but also expand his region into the country. He started by conquering the frontier states of Multan, Sindh and Punjab. In his quest to conquer North India, he came into conflict with Prithviraj Chauhan. There started first battle of Tarain in 1191. Prithviraj Chauhan, ruler of Delhi and Ajmer, fought the Ghurid forces and defeated them. Second battle of Tarain, that was in 1192. Ghori returned to India to avenge his defeat. Prithviraj tried to unify the Rajput king, but the most powerful king, Raja Jayachand of Kannauj, refused to support. Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and laid the foundation of Muslim rule in India. Further, we will talk about Battle of Chandavar. Battle of Chandavar was fought in 1194, and this is written here down here. I think you can take a look. This is written down here. Not very much. Battle of Chandavar is not written here, but I am explaining this. So, Battle of Chandavar was fought in 1194, and Raja Jayachand of Kannauj, Muhammad attacked Raja Jayachand of Kannauj and defeated him. Now, after that, we will talk about establishment of Delhi Sultanate. Thank you.